गुड मॉर्निंग। और अभी अभी यहाँ पे बज गए 6 एंड वी आर अर्ली, वी वोक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, सो वी वांट टू सी द सनराइज एंड लेट्स सी विच बीच इज़ रियली क्लोज टू आवर रिजॉर्ट। सिमक्यू बीच रिजॉर्ट नाम तो बीच रिजॉर्ट है, बट यहाँ पे बीच है नहीं। सो लेट्स सी यहाँ से कौन सा बीच पास है। हम जॉगिंग करते हुए जाएंगे बीच पे, सनराइज़ देखेंगे, इंजॉय करेंगे। आई टेल यू कि हम कौन से बीच जा रहे हैं इसके बाद में। We are about to reach now. बहुत साफ है, पेड़ पेड़ है, हर जगह पेड़ पेड़ है, हर जगह होटल्स है, हर जगह बहुत ही शांति। ये नहीं सोते। We'll see sunrise soon after this. Wow, and here is the beauty, guys. As you can listen these waves. No. Isn't it lovely, amazing, and full of positivity? I just love it. But it's very hard for me to walk on the sand with these shoes. But now it's okay now. It's fine. Here. No, baby? Check out. It's still moon here. Sun is not rising right yet. So we'll wait for sunrise. We'll have some fun and jog here. And then we'll go back to the hotel for breakfast. Which beach is this? Let me tell you. Wait. कौन सा बीच है ये? कलिंगे. It's about 11 minutes from our hotel by walking. 11 to 15 minutes. और इसको हमारे साथ ही रहना. It is far more than beautiful. And now I'm barefoot, so I can feel the water. Run, 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 run. So here it is. अच्छा यहीं पे वेव्स यहाँ पे यार. आप हम जा रहे हैं तो सन अब आया है. सन इज नॉट अ मॉर्निंग पर्सन. कितना शांत.
उस साइड वाले बीचेस पे आएगा ना सन. कल जाएंगे ना उस साइड वाले बीचेस पे जाएंगे.
कितनी शांति है. हाय, ये अभी तक तुम्हारे साथ घूम रहा है. मैं सर्चिंग फॉर नारियल पानी. गोवा आई तो नारियल पानी नहीं पिया तो क्या खा हुआ आई. बट हमें नारियल पानी नहीं मिला है अभी तक. Which type of Goa is this that we don't have a नारियल पानी? So सर्च जारी है. नारियल पानी मिलेगा वक्त के बाद, हम पियेंगे. नहीं तो हम ऐसे ही होटल जाके खाना खा लेंगे. This is a balcony view. That was the night view and this is the morning view. You can see the sitting area over here. Sun is here and the beautiful atmosphere. I guess we are going to the Baga beach today, so that's why I'm wearing this dress. And now That's my husband. He's ready to move, and we are going in few minutes for breakfast.
Presenting Tata Ace Short Steel, your exclusive destination for India's and world's best short films.
See, can I make a video now? Wow. Here was curd. This is paratha. Paratha is finished now, and we have eaten it all. This is toad bar. It's a tea. You can enjoy it while eating. This is the coffee, tea, milk, hot and cold milk. If you want to cornflakes and all, if you want to eat cereals, and this is healthy bar. If you are diet. This is all the juices. And this is all about it. So that was all about the buffet. We ate puri bhaji. Actually me. मैंने पूरी भाजी खाई, चाय पी और वड़ा सांभर. और आकाश ने लिया fruits or juice as he is dieting. So this was it. There were a lot of fruits, cereals, and lettuce or something if you are dieting. So basically it was a good buffet, and after this we are ready now. We're ready to go to the beach or somewhere else. First we will hire a bike and then we will go somewhere. So now we are going to hire a scooter now. Let's go. Now as we got the bike on rent with a helmet but with zero fuel, so we are going to fill the petrol tank first, and then we are going to Baga beach. I'll show you the Baga beach today. And this is Baga beach. Baga-Beach, Baga beach. Guys, this is the Baga beach, which is so famous for their rides, for the paragliding, not scuba diving, paragliding and a lot more things. And as you can see the fun over here, so much fun. So this is it. We are going to have fun. We are making videos, photographs, and this newly wedding couple are going to have few rides, because as we already have had a lot of rides when we were in Bali, so we are not going to do so these type of things. We just gonna relax and have fun. Guys, please humble request, if you are visiting some place which is full of greenery and something else like that, but please don't throw anything like that on this places, because it is so beautiful place, silent atmosphere, positivity, full of positive, and you are throwing these kind of shitty things over here. This is very bad. So please, requesting you all, do not do that. Please clean yourself, clean your surroundings. This is much important. It's good for you and good for other people and good for mammals. Thank you. So अब हमारा प्लान बन चुका है. We are going for a bike ride. This couple is occupied with the whole package, but we are going for a bike ride only, जिसको हम jet ski भी बोल सकते हैं. This is it, and we have a lot of experience and fun riding this bike, and you can say jet ski, this one, and he had his ride too, and you must do it once in a lifetime because it is really much more than fun. आपको बाहर बाहर से टिकट करवाने के लिए हमने यहाँ पे 50 मीटर्स का बाहर से टिकट करवाया था, लेकिन ये आदमी हमें 100 मीटर्स 500 मीटर्स तक लेके गया विद 250 एक्स्ट्रा रुपीज़. इट वॉज गुड. And the couple with us, they had a full package in, I guess, little discount in that. But we got a lot more better this jet ski with only 250. We have to give 500, I guess, 1000 rupees for jet ski if you want a 500-meter round. So, but we just gave 750 rupees with extra money. We have to give, I guess, 750 for this. We gave 500 to the counter and just 250 to this man, and that's why we got discount. Watching toward the sea, listening to the sound of waves, just feeling so soothing and calm. See? It feels so relaxing. I don't know which boat is this, but we are sitting here for 2 hours continuously, and it is feeling so good, so relaxing.
भैया बम्पर हैं ये बोर्ड के बेटा है ना, ये बोर्ड.
As you all know, greedy person wants more. और हमने एक राइड लेने के बाद, जेट स्की लेने के बाद, he wants more. Now he is planning for this bumper. Let me show you what is bumper. यहाँ पे कोई है नहीं. So yeah, we are going for bumper now. I will show you what is bumper when we are going to ride that one. After rides and after playing in the sea, we are going back to the hotel, but before that we have to eat lunch because we haven't eaten since morning, and we are now going for something to eat. And this is it. The day was very good at the beach, Baga beach. It was fun, full of adventure, new rides, and with the newlywed couple. It is very tough for me to walk on the sand. I'm wearing these slippers. We're done with Baga beach now.
सब ऊपर आहे 500 रुपये वीजा.
करो तो सही. हाँ खड़ी है. ये थेरेपी सबसे अच्छी है बच्चे, है ना. बड़ा मजा आता है. हमारी चाहिए वैसे. डालो तो. वाओ. यहाँ हटा के देखो.
तू किधर कर ले, मैं तो नहीं हो गया.
करके देखो एक बार.
डरना मत.
नहीं होता कुछ. कितने का है भैया?
कर लेने रेट जब बनाना तो बोला.
करना
परमानेंट है.
नहीं है, मेरे को गंदा लगता है.
अरे करो तो सही एक बार. So here I am ready for dinner tonight, and after beach we went for lunch, at Domino's, and we ate garlic bread. And at Baga Beach, that was very close to Baga Beach. Actually, Domino's is very close to Baga Beach. And after that, after lunch, we went for a little bit of shopping from that market, because वो market में कुछ भी मिल जाता है very easily, and we have to bargain the prices about that, and things you want for anything. We went to that market for Myra, and Lord Market the couple had. And after that we came to our hotel, and at hotel we हम आते ही we went to swimming pool में enjoy करते करते काफ़ी टाइम हो गया. At least 2 hours we spent over there. And now after that हम अभी आए हैं. I washed my hair and dried it away, and now he is trying himself his slippers. And now I am ready to go to the market for dinner. And yeah, this is my look for today, night actually. नाश्ता भी नहीं है. Shri Sagar. So as we have our dinner from Shri Sagar, it was okay types. I didn't like it much. I ate the pani puri types, dahi wale golgappa types, but it was not good. So now basically we are fine with that, not so much good. So you can try something else. Now we are going to the market of Goa. Let's see.